Today, we gather to celebrate the dedication and achievements of our esteemed educators and leaders in the field of education.
Friends and guests, today is a very momentous occasion for all of us. It is a day to reflect with gratitude and joy as we celebrate the 40th anniversary of a very noble advocacy, the value of hard work and discipline, comprehensive school program, and the 12th year of the Ambassador Antonio Cabangon Chua, Gintong Parangal para sa Edukasyon.
This journey was made possible through our partnership with the Department of Education and Mary Lindbergh International. It continues to inspire and shape lives, reflecting our unwavering commitment to instill core values and making a lasting impact to our dear teachers and school children.
Papatuloy natin ito sa DepEd. Hindi pwedeng umaasa lang tayo na mawawala ng basta-basta ang mga problema natin. Ang problema sa classroom, sa textbooks, sa facilities. Kailangan natin itong pagtrabahuan araw-araw ng buong dedikasyon. Hindi lang ito pangarap, gawin natin itong realidad, ladies and gentlemen.
This is indeed a blessing from the Almighty, with all these organizations and individuals who work for the greater glory of God. To all men and women behind the Ambassador Antonio L. Cabangon Chua, Gintong Parangal para sa Edukasyon.
Sa ating mga awardees, alam ko na hindi nagtatapos dito ang inyong biyahe o pagsubok or your journey. Dalhin ninyo ang parangal na ito pabalik sa inyong mga paaralan at maging mas malaking inspirasyon para sa inyo, sa inyong mga kasamahan at estudyante. I hope it gives you a boost in your efforts in the coming days, months, and years. You deserve all the best. Ipakita natin ang malasakit, sipag, ang dedikasyon para malaman nila na may kaagapay sila sa laban para sa dekalidad at makataong edukasyon. Mabuhay ang kayong mga bagong bayani ng bagong Pilipinas. Congratulations and mabuhay po kayo.
To this year's Gintong Parangal awardees, congratulations and thank you for your hard work and commitment in elevating education in our country.
Malaking pasasalamat always sa Fortune Life Insurance sa ilang taon ng pagsuporta sa department mula sa workbooks, teaching guides, hanggang sa mga proyektong tulad ng Brigada Eskwela at Palarong Pabansa. Talagang partner kayo sa pagpapaangat ng edukasyon.
Those people who matter to us are really the inspiration. This award is just a manifestation of what we have done, but it is indeed the people behind that drive us to do better. So sa oras na ito, nais ko pong ibahagi ang aking paniniwala na kung binibigyan natin ng tunay na kahulugan at kabuluhan ang ating paglilingkod, ito ay dahil gusto nating bigyan ng tunay na kahulugan at kabuluhan ang bawat buhay ng mga batang sa ating nakasalalay. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw.
Unwavering commitment to nurturing lifelong learners and turning challenges into opportunities is truly inspiring. Taos puso kaming nagpapasalamat sa inyo.